4-note fill. Some people call it bucket of fish. Right? Just kind of a cool fill to learn. Okay. You could do it that way, or you could do it backwards. And with the snare drum instead. Right now you're ending with the kick, so you're doing... Or you do it in reverse, like I said, and end with the snare, so you do tom, tom, kick, snare. Right? If you wanted to use that, you could probably start a groove with it. Maybe something like that, adding a flam in the front. That's just adding one more note, but it's a flam. If you don't know what a flam is, it's when both hands hit almost at the same time on the snare drum. And then an extra hit at the end. Okay? So have fun, give it a try. See you next time.